Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got an exciting product to talk about: the IBM 8 Multi-Purpose Scissors Bulk 3-Pack. If you're in the market for the best scissors, you're in the right place. These scissors are making waves, and we're here to tell you why. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at this fantastic product. Alright, folks, let's dive right in. We're talking about the IBM 8 Multi-Purpose Scissors 3-Pack. These scissors have taken the market by storm, and for good reason. Whether you're crafting, sewing, or simply need a reliable pair of scissors for everyday tasks, these might just be your best bet. First and foremost, let's talk about what sets these scissors apart. They come with ultra-sharp blades that can handle a wide range of materials, from paper and cardboard to fabric and tape. These scissors are versatile and built to last. But it doesn't stop there. These scissors feature comfort grip handles, making them a breeze to use for extended periods. No more hand fatigue during those long crafting sessions or hours spent in the office. And here's a fun touch. You can choose from 3 vibrant colors: mint, gray, or purple. So, not only are they functional, but they also add a pop of color to your workspace. Let's talk about the incredible range of tasks these scissors can handle. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a seamstress, or just need reliable scissors for your everyday needs, the IBM 8 Multi-Purpose Scissors have got you covered. Now, let's discuss durability. These scissors are made of stainless steel, which means they're incredibly durable and built to last. In fact, they are 6 times longer lasting than normal stainless steel scissors. That's 100,000 plus cuts without losing their sharpness. One of the things I love about these scissors is their ergonomic design. They're comfortable to hold and can be used by both left-handed and right-handed individuals. Plus, the soft grip holes ensure you maintain a comfortable grip at all times. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the price. These scissors are not only top-notch in quality, but they're also competitively priced. You're getting exceptional value for your money, especially considering the durability and versatility they offer. So there you have it, folks. The IBM 8 Multi-Purpose Scissors Bulk 3-Pack. With ultra-sharp blades, comfortable grip handles, and a competitive price point, these scissors have earned their place as some of the best on the market. If you want to upgrade your cutting game and add a touch of color to your workspace, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the IBM 8 Multi-Purpose Scissors right now. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique today. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts about these scissors, leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy cutting, everyone.